How to get your vendor to cover component costs on this episode of Gerbers and Grounds. Hi, this is Greg with Gerbers and Grounds with another tip on better board buying. There are three things that come together in order to make an assembly successful: the bare board, the components, and the assembly process itself. Sometimes when all three come together, the boards don't work. So the next time when you get that high-tech board coming in, say it's 1,000 pieces, I would suggest what I call a first article assembly report, an FAAR. You run anywhere from 25 to 50 pieces down the line. Assemble those boards, stop the line, test the boards, ensure they work. If they work, great, continue with the line. If they don't work, then take a look. Was it the board? Was it the components? Was it the assembly process itself? Part of that FAAR is getting an agreement with your board manufacturer to say, hey, we're going to do this, but if there's something wrong with those boards, we're going to limit it to, say, maybe 2 to 5% of the actual run. We verified the board that you've built is correct. But if we find out it's not correct, then you're responsible for those 2 to 5% of that run. What this does, it gives the PCB manufacturer peace of mind knowing that you're not going to run nilly-willy down the line and assemble everything and something's wrong. And at the same time, gives you confidence before you spend those additional monies on components that you're limiting the exposure of both parties. This written agreement gives both parties some security. If there is a problem with the board, that you have actually controlled the situation and contained it. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my page. If you post a comment or a question that we use in a video, we will send you a free copy of PCB Basics for Buyers and a Gerbers and Grounds coffee mug. This episode of Gerbers and Grounds is brought to you by EPTEC, the internationally recognized leader in solder training and IPC certification. Train, work smarter, succeed.